Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok watermark. So in here, I've already on my TikTok apps and let's save a video first. So I'm going to just save my video. Let's go to my profile here and I'm going to save this video. You can click on the three dots icon and tap on save video. So if you directly download or save video from TikTok, it will show the watermark will be shown on the video. So this is what you need to do if you want to remove it. First, you can just use a third party apps like a TikTok video downloader. You can find it on Google, on your browser, or on the Play Store. You can just click on a Play Store and find or search for the app TikTok video downloader. Here there are lots of options that you can do, and usually the steps are the same. You can just click on install. After it has been installed, you need to log in, or maybe just do a create account, and after that you can just paste the link that you've already downloaded you can just upload the video, or you can also just copy the link. In here you can click on the link, the three dot icon, and copy link, this one, and paste the link on the apps, and after that you can just download the video without the watermark. Or you can also use a video editor like CapCut. For example, here I'm going to just open CapCut and I'm going to open the video that I just saved from TikTok. In here you can see that there is a watermark in here on the video. So here you can use masking if you want to, or you can also just zoom in the video until the watermark is no longer seen on the video, just like this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.